Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards drift on AMC continues, and on that note, I'm just going to adjust this area of resistance now that we have more data. The newest area of resistance now sits right here at $10.15. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then bounce in the upwards direction, that's where the first big kind of question mark comes about, in the sense of not necessarily can the price get back up to 10.15, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So that'll be public enemy number one in the near term in terms of areas of resistance, like I said, assuming it bounces back upwards. So keep a close eye on that. But more pressing right now is all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And that's one of those areas where, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, but when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And so far, the bulls are doing its best to maintain right around that area. But in the event the price does separate further to the downside, the next key level of support to then keep an eye on would be down there at $9.80. So again, preferably speaking, you definitely want to see the price maintain above that pink line. But if that doesn't happen, the next area of support would then be down there at the $9.80 mark. So those are going to be the main dynamics here headed into next week as far as the technical chart is concerned. But yeah, overall, after a very, very strong start to the week, the back half was very, very weak. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.